Good afternoon, teacher. Emotional awareness. Emotional awareness, we can feel different things on different days. Sometimes we feel miserable because we had an argument with a friend, and sometimes we feel worried about something. It's important to understand our feelings and learn how to show them so that we don't make our friends, our family, and ourselves sad. Babies and children show their emotion by laughing or crying because they can't say what they feel and why. As we grow up, we learn how to understand how we are feeling. This is called emotional awareness. It also helps us have good relationship with other people. When we feel a strong emotion or we are stressed, there are chemicals in our brains that can make us feel happy, annoyed, or sad. This chemical is called cortisol. It can be good for us because it gives us energy. However, if we feel too stressed, then we have too much cortisol in our brains and it's difficult to sleep. Then summary. The next talks about understanding our feelings and expressing them so we don't make ourselves or others sad. Growing up helps us learn about our emotions for good relationships. Feeling too stressed can affect a brain chemical called cortisol, which can be okay for energy but can make it hard to sleep if there's too much. Questions. 1. Why is it important to understand feelings? It is important to understand our feelings so that we can express them properly and avoid making ourselves, our friends, and our family sad. 2. As we get older, we learn to understand how we feel. What term is used to define this concept? The term used to define the concept of learning to understand how we feel as we get older is emotional awareness. What kind of emotion does cortisol cause? Cortisol can cause various emotions such as happiness, annoyance, or sadness, depending on the situation. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye, teacher.